Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install a Geoid file inside of GeoMeasure's Survey Crew. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I'm going to create a new project and name it the very original Geoid Select. And I'm going to select OK here to create my project, and now I'm going to have to actually set up the parameters of my project. Now the first step is to set up my coordinate system. Now I'm going to click on Use Existing here at the bottom because I'm going to use a predefined projection of my UTM zone 11. Now if I scroll down in my project parameters here, you're going to see an option for Geoid file. As I said, I want to add a Geoid file, so I'm going to select that option here. And there's a handy switch here now that I can enable to use a Geoid file. And all I need to do is select the path that my Geoid file is in. Now, in my case, I've already put this on my data collector, but you're going to want to insert it into a specific grid shift file location here. So what I'm going to do here is click on the path and show you where to put said file. You can see here I've put it in my Survey Crew grid folder. That's the easiest place to put it. You're going to put it in there and then select the file. You can see here I have a CGG 2013 file. That is a Canadian Geoid file, but you can also have things like the 2018 or 2012 American files or the HT2 Canadian file or whatever other Geoid file you're using. You'll just want this .ggf format and then ensure that you've got it saved in this Survey Crew /grid location. Once you've got that selected, you're now ready to create your project and begin surveying with the Geoid file activated. And what you'll see is if you were previously getting a 20 meter or kind of 60-foot bust in your elevation from what you were expecting, the Geoid file should resolve that. And you should now be getting accurate vertical measurements that are more in line with mean sea level. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you activate a Geoid file inside of Survey Crew. And if you have a moment, I'd ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out. It helps us keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything on our YouTube channel, give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.